All right, my one for students. So to go over the do now quickly. For number one, observations, we learned this last class, are just things that you notice and note about the text. If you're looking at a picture, it's looking at little things within the picture. If you're looking at a text, though, it's finding clues within the text. Observations are really like textual clues. Number two, connections to the real world are where you put it all together. So for example, if you see somebody with a bloody nose coming out of the bathroom, you might assume they just got into a fight. That's a connection. If you see somebody with a cast on their arm, you can assume that they broke their arm, right? This is connections where you kind of make that leap. Finally, how do you make an inference? Well, you make observations in the text, you find the clues, and then you make connections to them. Okay, and that's what an inference is, these two things together. What you're going to be doing right now is this, making inferences for these passages using the claim evidence format. We're done with little baby answers where you just do multiple choice. That'll be part of it, but you have to back it up with evidence. So it goes like this. Read this over, and I'll give you a few of the answers. So what type of job does Paul do? Here's what I said as my answer, and I thought his name was Paul, not Max, Paul. So here's a bad answer, and you're going to try and figure out why. I said Paul's a farmer because in the text it says, every day after work, Paul took off his muddy boots off on the steps of the front porch. This is bad. Okay, so you're probably thinking why, but if you got a 3 on your last test, you probably know exactly why. And it comes in here and here. You have the because, but you don't give a reason in your own words. You just jump straight into the text. So here's what a good example looks like, and you have to figure out the difference for yourself to how to do it. Paul is a farmer because, and then it actually gives the reason, because he wears work clothes that get dirty. And then your next sentence is your evidence. So this is my claim, this is my evidence. This is how you do claim evidence format for an inference or for anything. Claim, you have your answer with a reason in your own words, and then you have something from the text word for word to prove that. Okay? To help you with a few other of these, let's look at one more that might be difficult. Let's do number 2, describe Alice. I'll say Alice is a controlling wife because she has a particular way that she makes Paul do everything. In the text it says, and I'll pull out, which one of these looks good? I like this. Alice would have a fit if the boots made it so far as the welcome mat. That shows she's kind of crazy about it and really controls him. Period. Right, that'd be okay if it was his mom. Maybe not if it's your wife, which we assume it is. Hint on question 3. So yeah, this is how you're going to do the claim evidence format for this. Make sure you follow the format of the good example with your answer in your own words and a reason in your own words, and then your evidence that comes after that. Okay? Any other questions? Email me. Okay? Good luck.